Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lavanya. Guess where we are going? Jaipur. So we are going for a weekend trip. All the girls, my Masi, my cousin, my mom and me, we are all going to Jaipur for a girls trip and it's going to be a wonderful weekend. And make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned till the end of the video. So we're halfway to Jaipur, we're at the road and we're 2 hours away. We've stopped for some coffee and I'm super excited for this weekend. It's going to be a wonderful trip. We have a lot to celebrate and a lot of good food awaits us and can't wait to see you from Jaipur. Let's go get some coffee. I've taken the unhealthiest option there is available, but it's a holiday and it's going to be amazing. So let's give it to my family. Yum.
Yes.
Back on the beautiful highway and एक time lapse तो बनता है यार. As soon as we reached Jaipur, we started with our touristy stuff and went to Patrika Gate. I've pretty much seen everything in Jaipur, and this is one of the spots that my Masi and my cousin haven't been. And it's a wonderful, wonderful place. Such beautiful pictures you can get here. I think it's one of the most cinematic and picturesque places in Jaipur. So it's a must visit for your next time. The Patrika Gate is located at the Jawahar Circle. It's very close to the airport and it has a wonderful place to click pictures. I will show you in some time. This gate is known for its pre-wedding shoots and a lot of fashion shoots as well. Make sure if you want to shoot here or take some beautiful pictures for yourself or for your Instagram, you come on weekdays or come super early on the weekend. Look how beautifully it has been maintained over the years. You can enjoy the beautiful, incredible India when you come to Jaipur at the Patrika Gate. Next up, we were heading for lunch and we crossed the White Beauty standing right in the middle of Jaipur, which is the Birla Mandir. It is one of the most popular destinations. I've already visited this a few times, so we didn't stop by. But if you're in Jaipur for the first time, make sure you take some time out for this beautiful mandir, and a lot of movies, Bollywood movies, have been shot here as well. Next up, we ended up stopping by at the Albert Hall to feed some pigeons and look at this beauty. Let's have some fun with the pigeons as well. Okay, so it was really sunny. We got some pretty pictures and we ended up going to the Lassi Wala, which is at the MI Road. And oh my god, if you don't have lassi in Jaipur, you're missing out. And we had obviously some huge large glasses of lassi which was made freshly in front of us. Look at all that malai. Oh my god, so much deliciousness. Can you see those glasses? Those are for us. We took the lassis to our family and cheers! Look how happy they are. Lassi always brings a smile to everybody's faces. Hi Shruti! Here's a cute little photo dump from Patrika Gate. Next up, straight on to dinner. We had a great nap and we went to Army Club for dinner and some drinks. Happy Saturday, guys! And peanut masala. Love how these ladies are smiling. We ate some amazing food and dal, paneer, and look at what's on my plate. Lal mas. It's a Jaipur favorite. It's a Rajasthani favorite, and it's cooked in spicy gravy, and it's wow. It's just I don't have any words. If you are a non-vegetarian and if you love red meat, you must try lal mas at Rajasthan. After the amazing food, we had a great night. And next up, day 2. Good morning. We are at Rawat Mishthan Bhandar. It has the evergreen and classic. We are here for some kachoris. It's super famous for Mama and Pyaz kachoris. Mama is a sweeter version and Pyaz is the savory/spicy version. You also get mirchi badas here. It is a wonderful sweet shop. If you're ever in Jaipur and you want some snacks or breakfast, you can come right here and indulge in drool-worthy Pyaz kachoris. After spending the morning eating, we had some family time and it is 4 o'clock right now, and we ended up coming to Bar Palladio, which is at the Narayan Nivas Palace, and it's our last night here in Jaipur, and we are here at one of the most beautiful and my favorite places to eat and drink, Bar Palladio. And you'll see why I love this place so much in just a few seconds. Look at all that blue. I'm speechless with how beautiful and gorgeous this place is. And if you're in Jaipur, make sure you visit Bar Palladio. There's also Palladio Cafe. You can visit their website and their Instagram to know more. Also, the very famous Mismatch from Netflix has been shot here. Here's some amazing continental food we had. Love the food.
Hi guys. Hello.
Hi guys. Cheers.
Thank you so much guys for sticking till the end of this video, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And here are some pictures. See you next time.